Let's tackle this JEE Main problem about identifying graphs for uniformly accelerated motion. A particle starts from rest at the origin and accelerates along the positive x-axis. We need to find which graphs correctly represent this motion. Watch this particle sitting quietly at the origin. Now a constant push to the right is switched on. Keep an eye on how its speed and position change as the seconds tick by. Because that push never changes, the acceleration graph is just a straight, flat line above the time axis. No matter when you look, the particle feels the same constant shove. This is figure A and it correctly represents our motion. Now watch the speedometer. Every equal tick of time adds the same chunk of speed. Since v equals a times t, the velocity time graph grows as a straight line through the origin. This is figure B, also correct. Because the speed is ramping up, the distance graph bends upward, getting steeper and steeper. This parabolic curve represents x equals 1 half a t squared. Notice how the slope increases with time. That slope is exactly the velocity. This is figure C, also correct. Now, what about velocity versus displacement? From v squared equals 2ax, we get v equals the square root of 2ax. This is not a straight line, but a square root curve. So, figure D, if it shows a linear Vx graph, is incorrect. Putting it all together, figure A shows constant acceleration. Correct. Figure B shows velocity proportional to time. Correct. Figure C shows position proportional to time squared. Correct. But figure D is wrong because V versus X is not linear. Therefore, the answer is option B, figures A, B, and C.